Modal verbs in English. How to use can and could. When to use can. When to use could. Affirmative form. Negative form. Question form. Polite requests. WH question form. When to use can. We use can to express the idea of ability, to be able to, or permission to be allowed to. We use can to talk about something we are able to do in the present. When to use could. We use could to talk about something we were able to do in the past. We use could to talk about general ability and possibility in the past. We also use could to sound more polite when we are asking for permission. Could you give me the book, please? Could we leave early today, sir? Explanation. We use can in the present, and we use could in the past. Examples. My horse is amazing, it can run fast.
It is able to run fast.
My horse was amazing, it could run fast.
It was able to run fast.
I'm afraid of the water because I cannot swim.
I'm not able to swim.
I was afraid of the water because I could not swim.
I was not able to swim.
We can use the computer in the office.
We are allowed to use it.
We could use the computer in the office.
We were allowed to use it.
Affirmative form. In the present, subject, plus can, plus base verb, plus complement. In the past, subject, plus could, plus base verb, plus complement. Examples. Tom can come tomorrow. My father can speak 5 languages. We can see the lake from our hotel. We can go now. It stopped raining. My sister can play the piano really well. When I was young, I could run very fast. Mary can drive, but she doesn't have a car. We can take the driving test until we are 18. My grandfather could speak 5 languages. I can come and see you tomorrow if you like. As soon as I walked into the room, I could smell gas. My brother can run 100 meters in 15 seconds. Sally can speak English, but she can't speak Arabic. I can play the piano. My brother can play the piano too. Not many people can run a marathon is less than 3 hours. Layla got the job because she could speak 4 languages. We had a lovely room in the hotel. We could see the lake. I like this hotel room. You can see the mountains from the window. Nova could draw very well when she was a child. Her pictures were very good. Negative form. In the present, subject, plus cannot, plus base verb, plus complement. In the past, subject, plus could not, plus base verb, plus complement. Contraction. Cannot becomes can't. Could not becomes couldn't. Examples. I can't hear what you are saying. I'm afraid I can't visit you on Friday. Have you seen my bag? I can't find it. I was tired last night, but I couldn't sleep. I couldn't swim even when I was 12 years. You can't park your scooter outside the school. You are speaking very quietly. I can't hear you. Grace doesn't know what to do. She can't decide. You can't install this program without a serial key. I wasn't hungry yesterday. I couldn't eat my dinner. I can't see without my glasses. I wear them all the time. Luna can't go to the picnic next Friday. She has to work. Sophia couldn't go to the meeting last week. She was ill. I'm sorry, but we can't come to your party next Saturday. We couldn't go to the party because we went to a wedding. Last week she couldn't come to school because she was ill. I wanted to speak to Mark yesterday, but I couldn't find him. You can look at the animals in the zoo, but you can't touch them. Women couldn't compete or watch the ancient Olympic Games. Camila can't sleep. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and she's still watching TV. Question form. Can or could plus subject plus base verb plus complement plus question mark. Short answer. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, he could. No, he couldn't. Examples.
Can I use your computer?
Yes, you can.
Can anyone understand her?
Yes, we can understand her well.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can, but I only know one song.
Could you wear trainers to school, Dad?
No, we couldn't. It was against the rules.
Can you tell me the time?
Yes, I can. It's 4:30 p.m.
Could you speak English when you were younger?
No, I couldn't. I didn't study it at school.
Can Sammy write the program?
No, he can't. He doesn't know anything about computers.
Could your children go to school yesterday?
No, they couldn't because there was too much snow.
I can't remember her name. Do you know it?
No, I can't too.
Can you swim?
Yes, but I'm not a very good swimmer.
Can you change 20 pounds?
I'm sorry, I can't.
Can your son ride a bike?
Yes, he can.
Can we park our car here?
No, I'm afraid you can't. There's a car park at the end of the street.
Can your parents play tennis?
No, they can't.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, you can, of course.
Can I borrow your laptop tomorrow?
I'm sorry, I need it tomorrow. But you can use it now if you like.
Polite requests. Could you help with this exercise? Could you lend me some money? Could you open the door, please? Could you carry my bags, please? Could you give me some advice? Could you help me for a minute, please? I was wondering if you could do something for me. Could I have your book in the next 10 minutes, please? WH question form. WH plus can or could plus subject plus base verb plus complement plus question mark.
Where can he find cheese and yogurts?
He can find cheese and yogurts in the dairy section in aisle 11.
Who can pay with a coupon?
Customers can pay with a coupon.
When can we shop at supermarkets?
We can shop until very late at night.
What can you speak?
I can speak 4 languages.
Where can we go to?
We can go to a restaurant outside.
What can your students play?
They can play soccer.
How can your sister come here?
She can come here by taxi.
Why can't they eat and drink?
Because they are fasting.
What time can meet again?
We can meet at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
The link of all sentences in this video exist in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.